What's up, online shoppers? I've got a really great set of turntable shower shelves that I'm going to install and show you how convenient they are in your bathroom. Now, I've put these in my shower, which is why my voice is kind of echoey, but you can also put them in a tub. And I also love that it works really well with those tub surrounds where you have like the full piece that slides in, because you don't have to drill holes to install this. Now, when you open up the package, you get 2 of these shelves and you get these adhesive pads. And these adhesive pads are going to slide right in here like this. And then this is going to stick to the wall so that you don't have to drill anything. This is really great for people who rent, for university students who aren't allowed to alter their space at all. This is a super solution for that. And I'm going to walk you through the installation and show you just how easy it is. Now I'm going to install this really cool little shower shelf that has a 360-degree turntable on it. And it comes with these really great guides that you can attach to the wall so that when you take the adhesive off the back of these plates here, they give you this really nice guide. It looks like this when you're not folded. So what I've done is I folded the guide like this, and I'm going to fold it back this way. And on the back of each of these strips are some adhesive pieces. So I'm going to put this on the wall just under where I want the shelf to sit. So this is the guide, and you can see that the guide is going to line up exactly with these adhesive patches. So when I put this on the wall straight, this is going to help me get proper placement of this, so then I can just clip the shelf right into place afterwards. We're going to peel the adhesive pieces off the paper just like that. And we're going to slide it into the corner where we want it to go. Just like that. Once we have it, then we're going to hang it straight across like this and attach there and peel the little adhesive piece off here like that and like that. Now that I know that I have that straight and level, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I've peeled the adhesive piece off. I'm going to attach it like that. And I'm going to come over this way like that. Peel the adhesive piece off. Peel that adhesive piece off. Get it to line up straight across like that. Now I know that this is going to be level. Now I've got my 2 adhesive patches. I'm just going to peel the sticky protector off the back like that. And I'm going to place it on the wall exactly where I want it to hang. Just like that. Give it a good push. And I'm going to do the same with the one on the other side. I'll slide it in. Now it's lined up nice and level. And one of the great things about this is you can change your mind where you want these. All you have to do is peel the adhesive pieces off the wall after you've attached them and move your shelf. So I can take the guide off the wall now. I don't need it there anymore. All that remains is to slide the shelf into place. And your shelf is installed. Look how great that is. Now I'm going to put some products in. It is definitely going to hold all of my shower products, and I can easily get them just by spinning the shelf. No more reaching in the back and knocking things over. Now the great thing about this is it comes with 2, and you can just position the second one in there and put it in place. It's great. Now it doesn't have to actually even go in a shower. You can use these on other walls as well, although I do think it's a better idea to install on tile. But look at how nice that spins. And these bottles, they're not light, they're pretty heavy. I'm impressed with the holding power of this. If you are looking for a really great set of shower shelves that you can install anywhere, really easy. I literally only installed this in like 3 minutes. That you can move if you want to, that give you the convenience of holding a lot of stuff and having a great turntable to move things around so that you don't have to like reach in and knock stuff over. This one here with a set of 2 really convenient, super thoughtful adhesive patches that you just stick to the wall and install are definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.